Hey y'all, check out my new beard. I haven't shaved in about 10 years. I'm just joking. It's actually my dog Ben. Oh, Bernese, what are you doing? Where are you going? You were keeping my face warm. Duh. What do you got in now? That must be the bubble gum that you laid in a couple days ago. Duh. Hey, where are you going? Do not like your picture taken? Your video taken? Push or push, Bernese. You have celebrity status, Bernese. You need to get used to that. You'll have the paparazzi. Not the paparazzi, but the paparazzi all over you, Bernese. Hey, baby. Hi, baby. How's it going, baby?